demand, highlighting a significant shift in buyer preferences towards higher-end offerings. Even as the upper mid-segment continued to expand at a healthy pace, the share of sales in the INR 1 crore and above ticket size grew significantly to 46% as compared to 40% a year ago, a growth of 16% year on year. The need for larger living spaces and upgraded lifestyle continues to fuel demand. The real estate market in Kolkata also continues to evolve, with a growing demand for affordable housing, gated communities, mixed-use developments, and villa developments. The recent governmental push for infrastructure developments, such as expansion of metro lines, smart city initiatives, and improved road connectivity, has opened new avenues for sustainable urban growth. As a company rooted in Kolkata, we see this as an opportunity to lead this transformation, not just in building homes, but in shaping communities. During the year, we achieved stable growth in our bookings while continuing to strengthen our brand presence in key markets across Kolkata and beyond. Our completed and ongoing projects have been well received and are focused on quality, timelines, and customer centricity remaining unwavering. We are especially delighted to announce the successful launch of our luxury residential project, Emami Amod, in November 24. Located in the prestigious and well-connected New Alipur, Kolkata, this project marks a significant milestone in our journey of creating premium living experiences in the heart of city. Spread across approximately 4 acres, Emami Amod comprises 4 elegant designed multi-story towers housing a total of 223 luxury residences facing an acre of musical fountain lake. We are pleased to report that around 30% already of the total units have been booked, which is a clear indication of strong market acceptance and a testament to the quality and value proposition Emami Amod brings to the discerning home buyers. This encouraging response not only reflects confidence in the project's long-term value and strategic positioning, but also reinforces our belief in the strength and potential of Kolkata's high-end residential market. As construction progresses, we remain committed to delivering this project with the hallmark of quality, innovation, and excellence that defines the Emami Realty brand. At Emami Realty, we are committed to green building practices, energy-efficient designs, and sustainable constructions. A new project now comply with the IGBC and other green norms. We have also adopted smart technologies for qualifying, monitoring, and timely deliveries for better customer experiences and operational efficiency. We have invested in digitizing our customer service, project monitoring, and sales operations, making it easier for our clients to engage with us. Coming to the financial performance of the company, the lower revenue from the operations in FY 24-25 was impacted since the inventory from completed projects were sold out, and revenue from the new launches shall be booked on completion of the project method. Total bookings during the year across all projects was 0.39 million square feet, having a sales volume of 245 crores. Your project of the company, Emami Business Bay, Sector 5, Kolkata, and Emami Asta, Joka, Kolkata, continued to witness good quality response from the market. As on 31st March 25, the company achieved a total booking of 97% in Emami Business Bay and 80% in Emami Asta. The construction of both the projects is in full swing. As we look to the future, we do so with cautious optimism. With all, we continue to identify and invest in high-end potential location, expand our project pipeline, and remain agile in our approach to market trends. With a clear vision, strong foundation, and a customer-first mindset, we believe Emami Realty is well positioned to deliver long-term value to our stakeholders. Subject to the necessary approvals, we are excited to share our plans to launch 3 more major projects in the coming period. Emami Tejomaya 2 at Chennai, premium development with a proposed sellable area of 1.3 million square feet across the success of after the success of phase 1 of Tejomaya. Emami Mirai, Sipcourt, Chennai, a large-scale integrated township project with a planned sellable area of approximately 1.5 million square feet, catering to the growing demand of emerging corridors of Chennai. Emami Bhuta at Jhansi, a foray into central India with a landmark project spanning an impressive 5.6 million square feet of sellable area, envisioned to be a transformative development in the region. These upcoming launches are a testament to our commitment to growth, innovation, and geographic diversification, while staying true to our brand values of quality, transparency, and customer centricity. I'm grateful to the team of Emami for their exceptional resilience, commitment, and ambition. I would like to acknowledge our board for their constant support and guidance. I would also like to place my vote of thanks to our partners and business associates, architects, and consultants for the unwavering commitment and contribution towards the company. I'd also like to take this moment to express my gratitude to you, our shareholders, investors, and most importantly, our valued customers for your immense confidence and loyalty to our business. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time and attention. With the permission of the chairman, I now request Ms. Payal to brief the members about the summary of the businesses to be transacted as set out in the notice, general instructions, supporting and rules related to the members' queries thereon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Members may please note that there will be no voting by show of hands, as this meeting is being conducted virtually. As the voting on these businesses has already begun, there is no requirement of proposing and seconding any resolution. The remote e-voting commenced from 10 a.m. on Friday, 19th September 2025 and closed at 5 p.m. on Tuesday, 23rd of September 2025. The company has provided the facility to cast the votes electronically on all resolutions set forth in the notice. Members who have not cast their votes yet and who are participating in this meeting will have an opportunity to cast their votes during the meeting through the e-voting system provided by CDSL. Members can click on Vote tab on the video conference screen to avail this feature. Now I am reading out the subject matter of the resolutions proposed to be transacted at this meeting. Resolution number 1. Adoption of the audited financial statements, including audited consolidated financial statements for the financial year ended March 31st, 2025, together with the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon. Resolution number 2, to appoint a director in place of Mr. Vasant Kumar Parekh, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Resolution number 3, to reappoint Dr. Nitesh Kumar Gupta as the Managing Director and CEO of the company, not liable to retire by rotation, for a further period of 5 years with effect from 30th June 2025 and payment of remuneration to him. Resolution number 4, approval of related party transactions. Resolution number 5, appointment of Messrs. MKV and Associates, Kolkata Practicing Company Secretaries, as Secretarial Auditor of the company for a term of 5 years. Resolution number 6, appointment, ratification of payment of remuneration to Messrs. VK Jain and Company, Cost Accountants, for conducting the audit of cost records of the company for the financial year 2025-26. Objectives of the special businesses of resolution number 3 to 6 are explained in the explanatory statement to the notice. Members may please note that there will be no voting by show of hands and there is no requirement of proposing and seconding on the proposed resolutions as mentioned in the notice. Each resolution will be deemed to be passed subject to receipt of requisite number of votes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Payal. Now I invite the shareholders who have registered themselves as speakers to ask their questions, if any, on the agenda items. Please mention your name, folio number, client ID, location from where you are joining, and the page number of the annual report to which the query relates. Members are requested not to repeat the queries which have already been raised by other members. All the queries will be answered together by the management at the end. I now request the speaker shareholders to join one after the other and raise their queries.
Thank you, sir. I request the host to please unmute Mr. Sujan Modak, speaker number 1.
Yes, madam.
Mr. Sujan Modak.
Mr. Sujan Modak, Unmute yourself and speak now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, namaskar. Good morning and namaskar, respected chairman, other board of directors. I'm Sujan Modok. I'm attending this meeting from my residence at Kolkata, sir. Sir, your initial speech was really very informative one, and you have elaborated everything about our company. So that takes a lot of questions from my side.
Request the speaker shelter to please switch on their
Hello.
video.
And okay. Yeah, you can hear me. You can see me. Hello, ma'am. You can see me.
Yes, sir, now we can see you.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm not repeating that that what I've already said. Sir, if you see the performance भी बहुत अच्छा हुआ कंपनी का revenue तो सर काफी बढ़ गया है. Sir, I have only one or two questions, sir. If you can give us that growth guidance of the top line and bottom line for next 2 years, that will be very nice for the investors community, sir. And one more thing I would like to know, that GST has recently dropped. So this will definitely have some positive effect on our business and the financial performance. So if you can elaborate that for next 2 years, how much collateral benefit we'll be getting out of it, sir. These are the two questions. And before I finish, I'd like to definitely thank our company secretary, Ma'am Payal Agarwal, for doing very good investor services to the investors community. Payal ma'am, namaskar and thank you. Chairman sir, over to you for further proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you.
I now request the host to please unmute Ms. Lily Pradhan, speaker number 2.
Yes, madam.
Ma'am, please switch on your audio and video and please speak.
Miss Lily Pradhan, unmute yourself and speak now. Am I audible?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
you are- Please speak.
Okay. Very good afternoon. Very good morning. এখনো afternoon হয়নি. Very good morning, respected chairman, board members, and fellow shareholder. Myself, Lily Pradhan, a long-standing shareholder from Kolkata, attending through video conferencing. First of all, I sincerely thank the board of directors, respected chairman, respected MD, respected CFO, respected secretary with secretarial team, and respected moderator. I admire the secretary's coordination. Very good, appreciative, personalized human beings. Overall, very good investor services, shareholder communication. Chairman sir, I am genuinely proud of your polite, decent, hardworking, patientful nature and humble leadership, which inspire great confidence among shareholders. I am hopeful that under your every guidance, our company will continue to achieve greater and greater success in coming year. I received email of notice well in advance and also hard copy of annual report, which cover page theme is both meaningful and knowledgeable and balance sheet transparent. Heartiest congratulations on my company's strong and sustainability growth. Credit rating of the company is very good. Company is now, I have a specific question and some request. Are there plan to invest in expanding the business? What will be the expected returns on such investment? What is the timeline? Next, what are the roadmap to reach a consistently profitability in every quarter? Next, what strategies their management have to scale revenue materially? Next, what has been the trend in operating margins before other income over recent quarters? Nothing more. As a woman speaker, always support women empowerment, which is most important and must be obeying by trusting for dignity and respect. Thank you so much. With warm regards and best wishes, all the best. Chairman sir, thank you. Secretary ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I now request the host to please unmute Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar, speaker number 3.
Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar, unmute yourself and speak now.
Please unmute your audio and video
Hello.
and speak.
सुनाई दे रहा है मैडम?
Yes, sir, सुनाई दे रहा है.
हाँ, वेरी गुड नून. मैं विमल कृष्ण सरकार मेरा रेसिडेंस कलकत्ता से बोल रहा हूँ। सर मैं चेयरमैन साहब, आपको आपने जो वैल्यूएबल जो प्रेजेंटेशन रखा है कंपनी का परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में, उसमें सारे चीज हम लोग को क्लियर कर दिया है कंपनी का पोजीशन के बारे में, इसलिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सर इंटीग्रेटेड जो एनुअल रिपोर्ट है ये कलरफुल है और इंफॉर्मेटिव। सर इस बार जो रिजल्ट आया है ऑन कंसोलिडेटेड बेसिस, सर सिग्निफिकेंट इंक्रीज हुई है प्रॉफिट रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन इंक्रीज बाय 33.92%। बहुत अच्छी बात है ये। सर मेरा एक सवाल है, सर लॉस एक्यूमुलेट हो रहा है, सर क्या प्लान और प्रोग्राम लिया है to come out from the accumulation of loss? Sir, number 2, sir, allowances for debt, doubtful debt, rupees 6,336 lakhs. सर ये अलाउंसेस मतलब ये प्रोविजन करके रखा है। सर मेरा सवाल ये है, सर अभी तक कितना डाउटफुल बैड डेट एट प्रेजेंट है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए। और सर क्या कदम उठाया है इसको रिकवर के लिए? सर अभी जो क्या पोजीशन है, क्रेडिट रेटिंग पोजीशन एट प्रेजेंट कितना है, ये थोड़ा बताइएगा सर। और कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर प्लान फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर। मैं हमारा कंपनी सेक्रेटरी पायल मैडम उनका एक्सीलेंट इन्वेस्टर सर्विस देते हैं, एनुअल रिपोर्ट वेल इन एडवांस भेज दिया है, और इसलिए और शेयर होल्डर के साथ गुड रिलेशन रखने के लिए उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सर मैं चेयरमैन साहब आप और आपका पूरा टीम को मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ आप लोग सुस्त रहे और हमारा कंपनी को आगे लेके चले। सर सामने जो फेस्टिव सीजन आ रहा है, इसके लिए दुर्गा पूजा, दीपावली, बेस्ट विशेष टू यू ऑल, हैप्पी दुर्गा पूजा और हैप्पी दिवाली। सर मेरे को बोलने का मौका दिया इसलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच। धन्यवाद। नमस्कार मैडम, नमस्कार चेयरमैन साहब।
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request the host to please unmute Mr. Ashit Kumar Pathak, speaker number 4.
Mr. Ashit Kumar Pathak, unmute yourself and speak now.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. You may also switch on your video.
Visible, ma'am?
Not
Am
yet.
I visible?
Speak. Yes, sir.
Good morning, good noon, respected chairman, board of directors, company secretary, fellow member joining at 78th AGM of Emami Realty Limited. My name is Ashit Kumar Pathak, joining from Damdam, Kolkata. At first, my esteemed gratitude to our company secretary, MS Payal Agarwal, and entire secretarial team for sending me the hard copy of annual report very well in advance and allow me to speak. Sir, your opening remarks, you have closed all the valuable points for the performance of my company. Also, there is very value-added projects mentioned page number 11 to 19 in the balance sheet, and various awards and accolades page 21, and existing value-added project Emami Astha, Emami Business Bay. Everything is ongoing. So at first, performance is not so better. I don't rise about this, but share your thoughts. What prospective business we are thinking, mostly rewarding policy to member, because I noticed there is boosting rural real estate and encouraging FDI, affordable housing initiative, tax incentive benefits, and government initiative PMAY for affordable housing, RERA for transparency and regulation, mostly REITs to enhance investment opportunity. Share your thoughts. Share your thoughts. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. And GST reduction, a special benefit we have taken in our operations, and also sudden rise of raw material costs, labor costs, land acquisition costs, other input costs, and regulatory compliance costs impacted in our margin. Share your thoughts. And share your thoughts. Our capex program next to 3 years, where we are seeking for booking near about. I noticed 1 minute. Current asset 1,926 and capex program next to 3 years because we are ongoing some equity capital raise program and warrant convertible programs near about 223 crores 46 lakhs 15,000. Share your thoughts our capex program and what kind of value added products for better margin we are looking forward for. And also I noticed we have next to 3 years difference to 25 million square feet future development program we are looking forward. Share your thoughts, our business growth and also profit margin we are seeking. And also my view, my company management team looking forward to tier 3 cities because there are very credit growth ongoing and disposable income and many other players are ongoing their infrastructure program there. So share your thoughts, our expansion strategy in tier 3 cities. Also, a good management team and promoters have good attention for the prosperity of my company. I have full support. And sir, share your thoughts. Our green housing project we are looking forward. And green power and water conservation, eco-friendly housing project. Share your thoughts. Nothing to say more. I pray to God for everybody good health and prosperity of my company. Namaskar.
Namaskar, sir. Thank you. I now request the host to please unmute Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf, speaker number 5.
Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf, unmute yourself and speak now. And please switch on your video also.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
एक मिनट वीडियो ऑन कर लेता हूँ.
जी सर.
माननीय सभापति जी, उपस्थित निर्देशक मंडल सदस्य अधिकारी और कर्मचारी, मैं संतोष कुमार साहब तरफ से आप सभी को राम राम कहता हूँ. आशा करता हूँ आप लोग सब अच्छे स्वास्थ्य में. मैं सभी कर्मचारी भाई बहनों का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जिनकी कड़ी मेहनत का फल है कि हमारी कंपनी इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट दे रही है. मैं सीएस का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे लिंक प्रोवाइड करी स्पीकर नंबर भी बता. और मैं सीएफओ का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ इतनी अच्छी बैलेंस पेश करने के लिए. सीएफओ सर, आपने तो अपनी बैलेंस शीट में सब कुछ बता दिया और इतने पन्ने उलटने के बाद में हमें भी कोई पॉइंट नहीं मिल रहा है. तो कम से कम ध्यान रखिए, मैं पढ़ा लिखा नहीं हूँ. अगले साल से कुछ हिडन रखिए जो पद में आगे चेयरमैन साहब कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आप पढ़े लिखे, आपको मालूम है क्या आपने हिडन रखा. क्या तो आप हमारी मैडम को बता दीजिएगा, वो हमें कन्वे कर देगी, क्योंकि मीटिंग में आता कोई प्रश्न नहीं करे तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है. तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है नेक्स्ट टाइम इसका ध्यान रखिएगा. फिर भी एक दो प्रश्न मैं करना चाहूंगा. जब तो कंस्ट्रक्शन में तो हमारी कंपनी की ईएसजी रेटिंग क्या है, ईएसजी स्कोर क्या है, एक हमने कार्बन इमिशन के लिए क्या कदम उठाया, दूसरा हमने रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के लिए क्या कदम उठाया जहाँ पे साइड कंस्ट्रक्ट करके रखा. और ये अभी जीएसटी रिफॉर्म हुआ है, इससे हमारी कंपनी को कितना लाभ होने वाला है ये बताने का करिएगा सर. आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है सर, हम रेसिडेंशियल और ऑफिशियल बिल्डिंग के तो काफी बनाते हैं. एक मैक्स दिल्ली की जो है उन्होंने अंतारा बोल के प्रोजेक्ट कैरी किया है सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए. वहाँ के सिटीजन रहते हैं कि हर शब्द सेवा करते हैं, हॉस्पिटली एवरीथिंग. तो क्या हम कलकत्ता में या इसके आसपास ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं? तो सर प्रॉफिट तो होगा ही, लेकिन समाज की सेवा भी काफी होगी. इस पर विचार करिएगा. मैनेजमेंट नेक्स्ट इंडिया का है तारा बोलते हैं, अनर्जीत जी और उनकी बेटी है तारा, उन दोनों के नाम से तारा नाम रखा हुआ है. देख लीजिएगा, हो तो बताइएगा सर. देखिएगा, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. मैं नेगेटिव का चीज का आभार प्रकट करता हूँ, तुम्हारा प्रार्थना करता हूँ आने से 25-26 हमारी कंपनी के साथ जितने भी डायरेक्टर भाई बहन देखिए
healthy, beautiful, सर दुर्गा पूजा की शुभकामना देता हूँ, भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ जितने भी राष्ट्रीय त्योहार है वो आपके पर्सनल हो या राष्ट्रीय हो, करता हूँ भगवान से प्रार्थना का त्योहार आपकी हमारी जिंदगी में खुशी आनंद लेके आए। एक रिक्वेस्ट है सर, आर्थिक सर ने आपके यहाँ रजिस्ट्रेशन किया था, उसका नंबर 7 है, क्या तबीयत ठीक नहीं, वो अटेंड नहीं करती, उन्होंने लेके आपके लिए शुभेच्छा भेजी है, कंपनी के अच्छे भविष्य की कामना की है, करती होगी कंपनी भविष्य अच्छा करेगी। सर समय देने के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद जय भारत, राम राम।
Thank you, Shukriya.
I now request the host to please unmute Mr. Taraknath Chakrabarti, speaker number 6.
Mr. Taraknath Chakrabarti, unmute yourself and speak now. And please switch on your video also.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman, oldest gold person, and our founder, Mr. R.S. Agrawal and R.S. Goenka. This company is born to before 20 years ago. I am a long time shareholder in your concern, Taraknath Chakraborty, speak to Calcutta. And our chairman is valuable person, Mr. Amit Kiran Dev. I follow up your speech, dynamic speech you established to the 17th annual general meeting. Chairman, sir, Emami Realty is one of the oldest gold company in India. Every city are developed the housing complex and there will be attraction. Company building planning is expected 9 of monumental pillar. Present now, Sector 5, Salt Lake, 22 floor is rising the one housing complex. Second thing, sir, Behala is developed new projects started now and very special develop our company is a construction basis. The reality, Emami is a not only building the infrastructure company and strengthful company, but very short time are binding this speech time. I observe your annual report. Annual report pattern, mission, vision, printing, color matching, everything is very wonderful. I personally felicitate our company, most valuable, sincere ability and efficient person, Madam Payal Agrawal. He is a long time, he is a shareholder, company secretary. He is very sincere ability person. Then all our minority shareholder are related person is very good. Then I joining the VC conduct the meeting is 17th annual meeting and I provide the speech. Personally, I all persons are felicitation our coming Sharadya festival wish with our Diwali and first thing I request every person are keep safe health. We are pray the God. After that enjoy your all our servicing provide these matters. I know briefly discussion many speaker is present there, Mr. Chairman. I further conclude to my speech. Over to microphone further proceeding. Thank you our company secretary, madam, and all our person and webinar. But this timing very tough. Webex are not a very good position. And I conclude my speech. Thank you all person. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I now request the host to please unmute Ms. Bharti Saraf, speaker number 7.
Ma'am, Miss Bharti Saraf is not there.
So we move to the next speaker and I request the host to please unmute Mr. Amrendra Nath Roy.
Yes, ma'am. Mr. Amrendra Nath Roy, please unmute yourself and speak now.
Sir, please also switch on your video.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Respected Chairman Amit Kumar Dev, respected MD Nitish Kumar Gupta, Other board of members present, myself, Amarendra Rai, an equity shareholder of Emami Realty Limited, joining video conferencing from Kolkata. It is 17th annual general meeting organized by the company through video conferencing. Special thanks to our all experienced, cordial company secretary, Mrs. Payal Agarwal, for giving me an opportunity to express my views, and her secretarial department rendering good investor service, sending annual report, joining link with speaker sequence number well in advance, and conducting video conferencing in smooth manner. Sir, I have some query. What are the main benefit you see from implementing IGBC certified construction standards? Please share your views. Next, could you explain how Emami Amor's design philosophy balance luxury and natural serenity in practical term of India residents? In practical terms of residents, please share your views. How does the Falcon Bricks quality monitoring software specifically improve construction standards? Please share your views. Fourth, sir, how is Emami Realty monitoring and minimizing the environmental impact of its construction activities, especially regarding material wastage? Please share your views. Fifth, how is Pervision ERP helping to seamless coordination across departments? Please share your views. Sixth and last, what measurable benefit have been observed from adopting aluminum shuttering compared to traditional method? Please share your views. Sir, no need to respond immediately. I would appreciate it if the answers could be shared with me later via email. Sir, I have casted my voting in favor of all resolutions. I have full trust on our strong, efficient management. I wish our company's prosperity. I believe under the leadership of our Honorable MD, sir, with the help of other directors, officials, and staffs, our company will go up newer height near future. Thank you for patient hearing. Over to you for further proceeding. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
I now request the host to please unmute Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee, speaker number 9.
Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee, unmute yourself and speak now, and please switch on your video.
Please speak, please switch on your video.
Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee, please speak.
Please.
Calling back again.
Mr. Amit Banerjee, we are moving to the next speaker. In the meantime, you please resolve issues at your end, any connectivity issue there is, and we will call you again. Oh, okay, sir. Okay, please. Pardon, sir? We will call you again, sir. I request the host to please unmute Mr. Sudipta Chakrabarti, speaker number 10. Mr. Sudipta Banerjee. Sudipta Chakrabarti, sorry.
Mr. Sudipta Chakrabarti.
Please
Very
unmute
good
your-
morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
I am
Please.
Sudipto Chakraborty, attending VC from Kolkata.
Yes, sir. Please switch on your video also. Yes. Please speak, sir.
Am I visible?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Thank you, thank you. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, my board of director, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance to speak something in this platform. Sir, I believe my company is in strong hand and it will perform better to better in coming future. For our directors' honesty, dedication, devotion, and determination. Sir, our company secretary performing very good and always cooperate with minority shareholder. It's our proud to be a part of this company. Sir, my first question is, how can you control your liabilities and interest cost? And second, question, how do you implement green energy in your business? And the last question is, how do you implement AI technology in your business? Sir, I casted vote in your favor. You are always very investor-friendly company. Best wishes for Durga Pujo and rest of the year. Thank you, sir, for patient sharing. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you. I request the host to please see Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee.
Come back to you at the end.
Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee, unmute yourself and speak now and switch on your video also, please.
Mr. Banerjee, if you are not able to connect with us, so okay, we move to the next speaker. Then we may call you.
Request you to re-log in because your mic and video both are not activated.
Okay, we come to him at the end. Sir, please unmute Miss Indrani Chakraborty, speaker number 11.
Miss Indrani Chakraborty, unmute yourself and speak now and please switch on your video also.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good noon, ma'am. I am Indrani Chakraborty, attending VC from Kolkata, a small shareholder of your company. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, board of director, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance in this platform. I casted vote along with my family member in favor of you in this AGM. I believe my company will perform better to better in coming future. Best of luck to my board of director. Ma'am, my question is, what is your roadmap next 20 years? Nothing more to say. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request the speaker to please unmute Mrs. Dipangita Chakraborty.
Mrs. Dipannita Chakraborty, unmute yourself and speak now and please switch on your video also.
At first, I want to congratulate the board of directors, company secretary, and my fellow shareholders to give me a chance in this platform. I hope my company will perform better to better in coming future. I casted my vote in favor of you. Thank you.
Thank you. I request the host to please unmute Mr. Mahesh Kumar Bhubna, speaker number 13.
Mr. Mahesh Kumar Bhubna is not there.
Okay, sir. We move to the next speaker. I request the host to please unmute Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, speaker number 14.
Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, unmute yourself and speak now. Please switch on your video also.
Very good afternoon, Chairman and Board of Directors. Myself, Jaideep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. First of all, I pass on my congrats to our company secretary, Payal Agarwalji, for giving me an opportunity to express my views and maintaining good investor-friendly relations with the shareholders and presenting a detailed and informative annual report full of facts and figures. So the initial speech was very much informative, and we are under the Emami group umbrella, so it's not worry. So we have a very good presence in our different projects. So it was well explained in the annual report. So just want to know what is our future projects which we are having and in different locations, and how we spreading our wings into a pan-India basis. Kindly share that one. And what is the thoughts regarding encouraging more green for our projects? Because now green, this carbon neutralizations and green energy, this much is the talk of the town now. And That's what are the extra facilities of value-added products are we giving so that we can be better off than our competitors? Because there are so many competition in this reality business. So how much can we can be on the higher off, better off than our competitors? And I've supported all the resolutions and wish our company come out with much better results under your leadership and with best of class amenities and with ease of living. And that's all from my side. I've supported all the resolutions and festive greetings to all present in today's video conference. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. I now request the host to please unmute Mr. Dipayan Pradhan, speaker number 15.
Mr. Dipayan Pradhan, unmute yourself and speak now. And switch on your video also, sir, please.
Am I loud and clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Thank you for having me. I'm sorry about my webcam. I couldn't get it to work. Okay, while I appreciate this opportunity, I would also like to thank the company for holding this meeting on an online platform. It's been very helpful for investors like us joining from overseas. I just had a few questions about since our financials hasn't been what we expected it to be. Did the board identify any segments where we can improve? Any area where we had shortcomings where we can improve? And do we face any pricing pressure on our inventory that we still have? And last but not the least, if we have a good profit in the future, do we expect the company to give out a dividend? And what would be the investor appreciation policy? I think that will be all from my end. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
I request the host to please check for Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee and then we may conclude. Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee?
He has joined with two devices, it seems, or twice, but his audio is not activated. Okay, let me try once.
Yeah.
Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee, audio is activated now.
We are sending you request. Yeah, now I think it is. Your mic has come up. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. Respected meeting.
Yes, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Other board members present. Myself, Amit Kumar Banerjee from City of Kolkata. Thank you for getting me connected and opportunity to speak such a beautiful occasion. Today, there's a meeting, 17th annual general meeting of the company Emami Realty Limited. As regards the performance is concerned, it is very nice. Total revenue stood with a tune around 129 crores of rupees. It is an improved result in comparison with the last year, which was about 79 crores of rupees. So it is very wonderful performance as visible in the balance sheet under review. Sir, the market price of the shares is 114. What is the key reason for loss of the company during the financial year? Net profit stood 125 crores, though of course overcoming or reducing the net losses from 140 crores. EPA is also negative. Sir, future plan for going ahead for next 2 years, kindly provide any plan for capital raising fund with qualified institutional placement or any other means, kindly focus. What is the minority shareholders wealth creation policy? Consider one get together for the attending members. I hope our company under your leadership will perform much better result near future, will maintain necessary infrastructure, overcoming whatever the certain risks, working together will add more value. I thank our company secretary, ma'am. I also thank to all team members for such a wonderful video conferencing meeting very smoothly. Myself, Amit Kumar Banerjee, over to you for further proceedings. Thank you, and sorry for this disturbance for opening. Now the current is off. I have to come so many clicks because the unmute switch is now coming in very lately. Anyhow, I am able to speak certain during such a wonderful and really thankful for the company secretary giving a chance and opportunity to speak such a wonderful meeting. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Banerjee.
With this, we conclude our question answer session. Thank you.
Dear shareholders, thank you very much for your feedback. Large number of interesting queries have been raised, and I now request Mr. Rajendra Agarwal Okay. I now request Mr. Rajendra Agarwal, Chief Financial Officer, to answer the members' queries. While the responses to the shareholders' questions are being compiled, we will take you through the company's projects for a few minutes. Is that necessary enough? Or we can straight away start. Please, Mr. Agarwal.
Good afternoon, Chairman, sir, and good afternoon, dear shareholders. Thank you for your warm greetings and your continuous support. I start with replying to Mr. Sujan Modak queries. He raised what is the growth guidance for next 2-3 years and the GST impacts on the company. See, we are very excited about our future project and the future journey. We have pipeline of multiple projects. As we have already stated in our annual report also, we plan to develop 12, we have identified 12 new projects with a development potential of 25 million square feet. So future looks very good. And we are working very hard. As regards the GST benefits, see the real estate, unfortunately, there is no material benefit, but there will be some benefits from reduction in cements or some GST reductions on the granite and marble, so it will be very small. So we will keep monitoring on the benefits. Then second is Ms. Lily Pradhan. Good afternoon, madam. And I really appreciate your queries. It was really very intellectual. And I start with plan to expand business and the expected returns. As I highlighted, we have a plan to launch multiple projects. Currently, 5 projects are ongoing and 12 new projects are at various stages of sanctions and at the drawing stage for implementations. So the roadmap is a pipeline of projects and the roadmap looks very bright. So please continue to have faith in your company's prospect. As far as the operating performance is concerned, yes, I understand your disappointment. Current year, the revenue is low. There are losses. There are 2 major reasons. One is the lower revenue to book, because in the real estate we book, as our managing director also highlighted, we book revenue on project completion methods. So the bulk of the revenue will start booking from FY28 onwards. And we will try to ensure that from FY28 onwards, we have a substantial revenue to book every year. And currently we are sitting on dates. So there is a interest servicing without corresponding revenue. So this is the major reason. But you have also noticed that our promoter shareholders have also shown huge confidence. we have converted about 180. We have issued share warrants for 183 crores of conversion of debt into equity. So this will reduce the debt as well as the corresponding interest cost significantly. So that demonstrates the faith also which we promoted that the company. Thank you, ma'am. Then Mr. Bimal Kumar Sarkar. Sir, I have already mentioned about the why there was losses and why the revenue was low. So the loss accumulation, I believe the current year also because of the lower revenue to book, we will have similar level of marginal improved performance in the current year compared to the last year. But from FY28 onwards, we are trying to have significant improvement in the top line as well as the bottom line. Yes, and then you also wanted to know on the provisions we have booked in the previous year. See, yeah, we have taken a provision of 63 crores. These are all one-off from our investments about 10 years back. So some of the investments we have to take a write-off because the projects in which these investments were made got delayed. So we have to take a write-off. There will be some write-off current year also, but hopefully from next year, it should be a smooth running. Then Mr. Asit Kumar Pathak, you wanted to understand about the prospect of the business and rewarding policy for the members. As I mentioned, prospect of the business looks good. We are very excited about on the pipeline of future projects. And as far as rewarding policy, let me assure you that we are working very hard to sustain, to achieve sustainable profitability in the futures. And time will, and as we turn profit, definitely it will be considered. Then you are correct. The government government has supported the sector with PMA policies, the affordable housing incentives, and with the establishment of RERA bodies and this is really helping the sector. And there has been a huge consolidation in the sectors, and it speaks very well for the future of the company. On the GST reduction, I have already highlighted. There is, the labor cost has improved, but that will not materially impact the company performances. As far as the CapEx program for next 2-3 years, as I said, there will be a pipeline of launches. We plan to launch 2-3 projects current year, and then there will be future launches. So as we see, as we envisage the CapEx program for 2-3 years would be in excess of 500-700 crores. And that should be patterned year after year, maybe more than that. I've already mentioned about the equity conversion of the company. Value-added products, yes, it is very much essential. That only adds to margin. So we have recently launched one of the most luxurious project, Emami Amod. So that, so we are exploring more and more launches of similar luxury products. Then I come back to Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf. Ram sir. I hope you are in good health. You have raised queries on the ESG. So we are very mindful of companies' policy as well as companies' contribution towards the environmental, social, and the outside governance. Emami Amod is an example where we have taken pre-certified IGBC, the Indian Green Building Council certificate. And so we are mindful of the waste management, the impact of pollutions, energy management, as well as the policies towards the customers, the employees, which have the social consequences. As far as the governance is concerned, as you know, we are part of the Emami Group. We take our corporate governance very, very strongly. We have robust internal control system in place, and we have ethical and transparent policies. So we have noted your suggestions to launch senior citizen project. and you will see how that is possible. Next is Mr. Taraknath Chakraborty. Good afternoon, sir. You have been one of our very long-term shareholders. I appreciate your continued support. Thank you for highlighting and appreciating our company's project. We are also glad that you like the annual report. Then Mr. Amrendranath Ray. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, I have already mentioned that we have implemented IGBC. So this helps in energy efficiency and sustainability of the natural resources. It will also help in reducing the low water consumption and sustainable management. Indoor environmental quality also improves, and there will be a minimization of the wastage. So you wanted to understand on the impact of Falcon Bridge software. So this is basically a quality monitoring software, so which is beneficial both to the contractors as well as the developers, and it helps in online real-time monitoring of the projects and minimize the waste. So it has proper auditing system in place. And you also wanted to understand how Emami Amos design balances the luxury and the environmental impact. So Emami Amos, as I mentioned, we have taken the green building certificate. It has the expensive space compared to other typical 3-4 bedroom apartments. It has all the amenities and facilities. All the rooms have balconies, connected balconies. Even the illumination and the ventilation is there for all the sides. So all the high-end specs, including the air conditioning, is in place. So, and basically it has all the amenities and facilities which we normally see in luxury hotels and resorts. The elevation of the building is also high in specs. Then the environmental impact, I've already touched upon that. The benefit of Farvision, see, Farvision helps in real-time coordinating various functions of the business. So it helps in integrating multiple functions into one platform. So this improves department coordination and eliminates duplication of data. It also reduces errors. So it has been really very, very helpful. You wanted to understand on the benefits, measurable benefits of the aluminum shuttering. Yes, it is of a great value. The lifespan and the reusability increases significantly. So normally the typical repetitions is even closer to 200 times as compared to the traditional shuttering where you have only 3-5 times. So this materially reduces the construction time. Also, there is a less manpower requirement, and there is a significant quality improvement. So the material is harder, but it is also lighter. And on the cost side, the initial capital cost is high. There is a one-time capital cost, but overall cost on the project life cycle is low. And there is a scrap value of significant scrap value also of using the aluminum shuttering. Then I come to Mr. Sudipto Chakraborty. Thank you, sir, for your warm greeting and showing faith in our long-term performance. You wanted to understand how we can control liability and interest cost. As I mentioned, once we have more and more launches, so automatically there will be a significant reduction of debts and interest cost will come down. Yes, we are mindful of the impact of green technologies, and we have demonstrated in our Emami. Thank you, sir. Then Madam Indrani Chakraborty, she wanted to understand roadmap for 3 years. As I mentioned, ma'am, we have pipeline of projects. We have complete 12 projects which should be launched in this time frame. Then Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, thank you, sir, for appreciating the performance. Future, you wanted to understand what is the future prospect and our pan-India planning. Yes, future prospects, as I highlighted, future prospects looks really good, and we are also very excited and committed. And we have pipeline of projects which are in multiple cities. So we are working, we have pan-India presence. The next is Mr. Dipayan Pradhan. Thank you, sir. It was really heartening to see that you have joined from overseas. So thank you for taking the trouble and joining. Yes, I understand that you have concerns on the current financials, and you are eager to know what are the improvement plans in place. So as I mentioned, the financials were weak because of two counts only, because of lower revenue and higher interest cost. And as we now launches multiple projects, and as we target to ensure that there is a minimum level of revenue year after year from FY28 onwards, so things should look very good. When I come to Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee, yes, you wanted to understand the company's performance and the future plan, which I have already highlighted. On your share market price, it's difficult to commit. Market have their own dynamics, but please be rest assured that future looks very good. And key reasons for loss of the company that I've already highlighted. Yeah, as far as capital raising plan, I think the future raising will be all against the project. So we'll be raising only the construction finance. And that should be very suffice for the business. You have to understand policy towards the minority shareholders. We are really committed and we really take the business very seriously. So once the performance improves, I think there will be some potential. Thank you. I believe I have answered most of the queries to your satisfaction. And now I request Chairman Sir to please take the proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Agarwal. Most of the shareholders have raised the issue of future plans for the company, the roadmap for the company, and the strategy that the company is going to adopt in future. The answer to this particular query lies very much there in this annual report, and I think in his presentation, the CFO has addressed this issue. So far as the company is concerned, I think you should refer to page number 10 of the annual report, which lists the strength of the company, the administrative excellence, operational superiority, strategic vision, and innovative leadership. So all these factors or elements make this company a very strong one, and I think the future of this company is extremely bright. This is what I wanted to assure all our shareholders. Thank you very much. Now, the members who have not cast their votes through remote e-voting can now cast their votes through their screens, which also contain the e-voting services facility to vote during AGM and till 15 minutes post conclusion of AGM. The board has appointed Mr. Manoj Kumar Bhantia, practicing company secretary, aiding him Mr. Raj Kumar Bhantia, practicing company secretary, both of measures MKB and Associates, as scrutinizer to scrutinize the remote e-voting process. The consolidated results will be announced within 48 hours of the conclusion of the meeting. The result will be placed on the company's website along with the websites of CDSL and stock exchanges. I thank all the members for attending and cooperating in conducting this meeting through video conferencing and other audio visual means. I thank all the directors and members of the management team who have joined this meeting. I wish everyone best of health and safety in the year ahead, and I also convey my heartiest puja greetings on the occasion of the festive occasion that we are going to face now. I now conclude the meeting. Thank you very much.
Namaskar and happy Durga Puja to all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I request the host to please end the session, and it will remain on for 15 minutes for the shareholders to do e-voting.
Can you stop the recording, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Recording stopped. Can we end the meeting for all?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.